Parrots are very social animals and can get quite lonely when their owners are away. Michela Spearings from the biology department in Leiden University wants to help them by giving them something to interact with and listen to when they feel alone. In addition, Michela will use this to record the anonymized parrot behavior to use for her research. This device is especially made for that, as there is currently no way to observe the preferences that lonely parrots have for sounds. Each of those 4 switches is reached up to an interface in which the parrot owner can decide what sound they play when triggered. When in use, parrots play whatever sound they like, whenever they like. The parrots get to have an auditory playmate while you're away, and you get to know your parrot better by knowing what sounds they like. Each interaction gets noted in the interface, so it's easy to tell which sound your little bird likes. If you want to change which switch plays what sound, it's as easy as 3 buttons. This way, you can easily figure out whether your parrot prefers soothing nature sounds, some pop song, or an entirely personalized message from you. This device helps parrots stay engaged when alone, gain agency for their own auditory taste, and helps us learn more about their cognitive abilities.